Do you know how to get rid of coughs naturally without having to resort to medications? Did you know that in clinical trials, one natural product beat out the most popular over-the-counter product in effectiveness? In this video, we're going to go through 7 natural treatments for cough without having to go to the doctor and without having to use an over-the-counter product. And if you stick with me till the end, I'll let you know about which natural product beat out that over-the-counter medication. Good morning, health-minded people. I'm Dr. Snow, and I help you treat minor health issues with natural products. We're moving into cold and flu season, and along with both of those conditions comes cough. Coughs can be annoying, especially if you just don't feel well and you want to sleep. But if you don't like putting drugs into your system, and you don't want to spend the money on an over-the-counter product, and you don't want to spend the time and money to go see the physician for a prescription medication, these natural remedies may appeal to you. My first suggestion is ginger tea. Starting with about an inch slice of ginger, slice it very thin and put it in a cup of boiling water and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer it steeps, the stronger it will get. But drink it while it's hot. Ginger is anti-inflammatory and may decrease the inflammation in your lungs that's causing the cough. Drinking a cup of ginger tea once or twice a day may help your cough, but you need to be aware that if you drink too much, it may upset your stomach. Number 2 is turmeric tea. Turmeric has been used for hundreds, if not thousands of years to treat many health issues, including respiratory problems. Not only has turmeric been shown to decrease cough, it also helps break up the mucus that's associated with the colds and the flu. And it has been shown to have antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-infective properties. To make turmeric tea, mix 2½ teaspoonsful of dried turmeric with 1 cup of hot water and let this set for about 5 minutes before you drink it. Drink this tea once or twice a day also. Number 3 is peppermint. Peppermint is useful not only to help alleviate the cough, but also can calm the sore throats that may come with coughing excessively. Peppermint tea can be made by steeping fresh or dried peppermint leaves in a cup of hot water. Drink this 3 or 4 times a day. You can also use peppermint by slowly dissolving a piece of peppermint candy in your mouth. The peppermint helps soothe your throat and your cough, and the act of swallowing also reduces the urge to cough. Number 4 is a saltwater gargle. Mix 1/2 teaspoonful of table salt with 1 cup of very hot tap water and then gargle this repeatedly throughout the day. This not only soothes your cough, but it also helps your sore throat. Do you ever suffer from heartburn and want natural ways to treat or even prevent it? Watch this video next. Number 5 is steam. Stand in the closed bathroom with the water running in the shower as hot as possible to create a steam room. This steam will get into your lungs and help break up any mucus that's trapped there. This allows your body to move that mucus up and out. If you have a wet cough, which means you're coughing up mucus, this may be your best treatment. You want to get that nasty mucus out of there, and the steam may help you do that. An alternative to wasting all that water is to pour boiling water into a bowl, then create a tent over your head and the bowl and inhale the steam directly from the bowl until the water cools. By adding peppermint oil, rosemary oil, or eucalyptus oil, 1 or 2 drops to the water, you get double benefit. Number 6, drink lots of water. Have you noticed that it seems that I believe that water can cure almost anything? That's because I believe that water can cure almost anything. Staying hydrated can help thin the mucus in your lungs and throat that often occur with colds and the flu. It's important for you to stay hydrated even when you're healthy. It's doubly important when you're sick. And hot fluids work better than cold fluids. Think teas, soups, and even just a cup of hot water if you like. If you found this information helpful, please press that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit that little bell so that you'll be notified every Monday when I post a new video that's designed to help you navigate the sometimes confusing healthcare system. We've finally come to number 7. So what is the natural remedy that beat out the most popular over-the-counter cough suppressant? Honey. Honey was shown in clinical trials to work better than dextromethorphan and diphenhydramine in helping suppress cough. Mix 2 teaspoonsful of honey with your favorite tea. By mixing it with the turmeric, the peppermint, or the ginger tea, you get double benefit. But if you have diabetes, please note that honey has a lot of sugar in it and may make your blood sugar go up, which usually happens anyway when you're sick. If you have diabetes and you want to try the honey tea, please keep a close eye on your blood sugar and don't use it more than once or twice a day. Also, even though honey has other health benefits such as being anti-infective, this property is lost when it is put in hot water. So if you want to retain those properties, you may just want to take 1 teaspoonful of honey raw. And it tastes good. Finally, if you are coughing up thick, greenish, yellowish mucus, if you have wheezing or difficulty breathing, if you've had a temperature of over 101 for more than 3 days, or if the cough has been hanging on for more than just a couple of weeks, it's time to see your physician. So, which natural treatment did I miss? Leave your favorite natural way to get rid of cough in the comments below so that you can help the rest of us next time we get sick. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to get rid of a cough naturally without having to resort to any medication. Stay healthy, drink your tea, and have a blessed week.